You don't need a team, a budget, or even an idea. I'll show you how to build an entire business step by step using just ChatGPT and a few smart prompts. First, ask ChatGPT. Act as a startup coach. Create a one-person business idea I can launch with no experience or staff. It'll generate a business type, your niche, ideal customer, and even pricing suggestions in seconds. Next, ask, what's the easiest way to build a website for this business? ChatGPT will recommend tools like Durable, Card, or Framer, and walk you through the exact steps. You'll have a homepage and lead form live in under 15 minutes. Now ask, how can I capture leads on my site and follow up automatically? ChatGPT will guide you to tools like Tidio for live chat and gohighlevel or Zapier for automated follow-up. It'll even write your emails and texts for you. Finally, last ChatGPT prompt. Write a script for a 30-second ad for this business. You can paste that into Pictory or InVideo, and ChatGPT will build the rest. The hook, the call to action, and even the YouTube ad headline. ChatGPT just did the work of 5 people in 5 minutes. Subscribe for more AI-powered tools that help you launch, automate, and scale. And comment what kind of business you want to build. I'll reply with a custom prompt just for you.